welcome to my channel. This is Alice in Mandarin. In our last lesson, we learned about initials and finals of Chinese pinyin and 4 different tongues. In today's lesson, we're gonna learn the Chinese syllables, how to write Chinese characters, and finally, we're gonna cover basic HSK1 vocabularies. Let's look at the following syllables of Chinese characters. Actually, this is just the example to see. Each Chinese syllable with its tongue represents its equivalent Chinese character. Here, I would like to mention that Chinese syllables are phonetic syllables combined with initials and finals. Meanwhile, we also need to have a tongue for each Chinese syllable that constitutes a Chinese character. Now, let's look at the following examples. Mao is composed of m and ao, and is the first tongue, so that Mao means cat. The second one is yu, which only has one final and is the second tongue, so that yu means fish. The third one is jie, which consists of the initial j plus the final ye, and tongue is the third, so that's the character jie, sister. The last one is er, only composed of final, and the tongue is the last. That's er, which means number 2. Next, we can see when two third tongue characters are put together, usually the tongue of the first character changes to the second. Now you can follow my pronunciation of these examples. 你好, which means hello. 可以, which means okay or good. 辅导, which means assist. It usually happens when you really need someone to help you study well. Now you can watch my pronunciation of the following two third tongue characters. You don't need to remember all the following characters. You just need to master the rule of the pronunciation. 你好, 可以, 辅导, 小姐, 口语, 语法, 法语, 讨好, 了解, 友好, 雨伞, 手表. Now I have to mention one important thing about this phrase 小姐. In the past, when we saw a lady, we called her 小姐, which was kind of respectful calling name. However, time has changed. 小姐 nowadays refers to prostitute or street worker. So whenever you walk on streets and see a beautiful lady, you can call her 美女. That is the common way of saying hello. Now we can see 横, 竖, 撇, 点, 捺, 一横, 一, 两横, 二, 三横, 三, 一横竖, 十, 撇, 捺, 八, 点, 横, 撇, 捺, 六. Now let's look at following new words. 你, which means you. 你好, hello. 你好吗? How are you? 好, which means good. 你好, hello. 很好, very good. 不好, not good, 你好吗 How are you? 您 It is the respectful appellation word in Chinese, which also refers to you. 你们 It is the plural form of you. When you say hello to more than one person, you can say 你们好你们好吗对不起 which means sorry 没关系 no problem